Sat Sri Akal students, today we're going to learn something about conic sections. Lecture number 2, class 11th, circle, background. There are two things to understand before understanding this lecture, students. Number one, this is a double napped cone. Double napped cone, this is upper nappe, and students, this is lower nappe. Right? Now, you see that this is axis. Now, I am going to cut. This is a plane which is perpendicular to the axis. It's cutting the double nappe, upper nappe at 90 degree, right? So when it cuts the nappe with 90 degree, here what kind of section will be generated? Yes, Ishma, what kind of section will be generated if I'm going to cut this with a plane, straight plane at 90 degree? Please tell me.
Circular.
Correct. It will be a circle. So when this is a circle, now today's lecture is dedicated on understanding the equation of circle, general equation, and specific equation of circle. Right. Let's understand, students, y and x axis. Well, this is a circle, and they say circle cannot be created. All right. This is radius of the circle r. First thing you need to understand this lecture is what I've told you. The second thing is simple distance formula. Students, do you remember the distance formula? Suppose there are 2 points, x1, y1, one point, and the other point is x2, y2. Let's say this point is B, this point is A. Do you students remember, according to distance formula, what will be AB? Yes? Students, do you remember distance formula? If A and B have these coordinates, so it will be difference of abscissa whole square. Yes, students, do you remember? Plus,
Difference of ordinate.
yeah, difference of ordinates whole square. I can write it like this. I can say this is different of abscissa is x2 minus x1 whole square. Next is Ishma, y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. Beautiful. Once you understand this, how the circle is generated and the distance formula very easily, you will be able to understand the equation of a circle. Now, how do you define a circle, students? A circle is set of all points in a plane, all points in a plane that are equidistant from fixed point in that plane, and that point is center of the circle, right? Now, students, we are going to define the standard equation of circle, right? So we will imagine as C as the center of the circle, that is xy, or we can say center of the circle as h and k, right? And let's take any general point P on the circumference of the circle, and let the general point be x, y. So I must change this point. This is h and k, right, students? This point C is h and k. All right. So see, students, now the equation of the circle is in the standard form. Yeah, instead of dictating the equation, I want you to use distance formula to generate the equation of the circle rather than just telling you the this thing. So students, now C is a point HK and P is a point Ishma XY. So can you tell me, Ishma, what will be CP? What will be CP?
X minus h plus y minus k whole under root.
Beautiful. X minus h whole square. So see that, students, Ishma was not knowing the equation before, but then you create the background and the students understand. X minus h squared. So this is difference of abscissa. H is the abscissa of C and X is the abscissa of P. Plus, yes, Ishma, please complete. Plus Y.
minus k whole
Yes.
under root.
Oh, that's really great. And I can write under root here. Beautiful. So, Ishma, I can also write x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to. Now, Ishma, you know what is CP? Arjinder, what is CP of a circle? What is the CP? Distance between any
Radius.
the circumference and the center. What is that? That is radius, half of the diameter. So this is equal to r squared. So beautiful. You see that you have been able to derive the standard equation of circle. Here, what are x, y? Any general point on the circumference of the circle. And Ishma, what is h? H is the abscissa of center. And what is K? K is the ordinate of center. All right. So this is very great. Now, students, imagine a special case. We're going to talk about a special case when C is at origin. Now, Arjinder, what are the coordinates of origin? Please tell me, bache. What are the coordinates of origin? 0, 0. Right? Now let this C point be at origin. And now I draw a circle. C point is at origin. So I draw another circle. So what? I drag this circle. I can drag this circle to the center point also. See, like this. And when I drag this circle to the center point is not HK, rather it becomes 0, 0. All right, students. So if that is the case, then can you tell Ishma what will be the equation of the circle? Then H will be 0 and K will be 0. So what will be the equation? So I will write here x minus 0 whole square.
X square plus y square is equal to r square.
Beautiful. That's really great. I'm happy. Is equal to r square. That's really great. So I can say, I can write x square plus y square is equal to radius square. That is r square. Beautiful. That's just great. Beautiful. So I'm getting closer and closer in understanding circles. So let's do a simple sum. He says, find out the equation of a circle if the coordinates of center are 2 and 3. Yes? Can you find out the equation of the circle whose coordinates are 2 and 3? Come on, students. Find out the equation of the circle whose. Yes, students, whose coordinates of the center are 2 and 3. And radius is also given. Let's say radius is r. Yes, can you tell? Come on. What will be the equation of circle? You cannot tell? Don't worry. Write down the equation. See, it is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So the equation will be h is 2 and k is 3. So it will be x minus 2 whole square plus, come on Ishma, complete it. Y minus 3 whole square would be equal to r square. All right, this is the equation of the circle. All right. So Ishma, now I want to ask you that suppose The suppose now I go other way. Now let's say this is a circle, okay. Let us say its radius, let's say its radius is 1. Its radius is 1. Let's assume its radius is 1, okay. And let's say its center is 0, 0. So students, can you tell the equation of the circle? Yes, girls. Can you tell? See this one? When we have just studied, when the center point is at origin 0, 0, equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Very simple. So Ishma, what will be the equation now? Center is at origin 0, 0. So the equation would be x square plus y square is equal to r square. What is r? Come on, Ishma, what is r?
1.
R is 1. So this will be the equation of the circle. Beautiful. That's great. Okay, having done this, okay, now it says find the equation of the circle. The center is minus a minus b and radius is a square minus b square under root. Can you find the equation of the circle? So what is h here? This is h and this is k. General equation of standard equation of circle is x minus h whole square. Ishma or Arjinder, please speak. Plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square. But radius is given is a square minus b square. So when I do square, it will be a square minus b square. Am I right, students? So now when you expand this, you know, when you expand this, you'll get this equation x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0. So just expand this, students. You would get this result. Okay. Well, this is done. So now instead of h, you will put minus a. So this will become x plus a whole square. And instead of h, you will put minus b. It will become y plus b whole square is equal to a square plus minus b square. Well, this is done. Okay, girls. Now he says the center is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. This is the center. And the radius is 1 by 12. So what will be the equation of the circle? So what is h? Come on, girls, please speak. H is 1 by 2. What is k? 1 by 4. The standard equation is x minus h. H is 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus k. What is k? 1 by 4 whole square is equal to r square 1 by 12 square. That is 1 by 144. So once you solve this, students, practice it yourself. So you'll get 36x square plus 36y square. Please solve it for yourself. Minus 36x minus 18y plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is there. Let's do one more sum. He says find the equation of the circle whose center is 1, 2. This is center, right? The center is 1, 2, which passes through the point 4, 6. It passes through the point 4, 6. So this is center and it is passing through this point. Yes, students, can you guess how we will find the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So what we need is the radius of the circle. How can we find the radius of circle? Center is given and one point on the circumference P is given. Any student can tell me how we can find the radius? It's like this circle on the ray on the
by
and center is 1 2. Yes, Ishma, please speak.
distance formula.
Distance formula, very right. We'll calculate this distance. CP is equal to 4 minus 1. 3 square is 9 plus 6 minus 2. 4 square is 16 under root. That is equal to 25 under root 5. Beautiful. So it will be x minus 1. Come on, speak, Ishma. Whole square plus. Speak, then only I will write. X minus 1 whole square plus. Instead of k, put this. This is it.
Y minus 2 whole square.
Yes, is equal to 25.
25.
Okay, now better you solve it, So this will be x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 25. So there you go, x square plus y square. Come on, can you tell? Minus 2x minus 4y. 4 plus 1 is 5, so it will be minus 20. Minus 20 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay, that's great. All right, guys. Now we can do equation of circle in a special case. We're talking about a special case. So what is that special case? All right, let's discuss. Now the standard form of equation, we know x minus y. Arjinder, please speak. What is standard form of circle? X minus y whole square plus, sorry, it's not x minus y, x minus
x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole is equal to r.
beautiful. This is the standard form of circle, beta. Very good. Now I'm talking about case 1. What is case 1? The circle is passing through origin. Circle is passing through origin. Circle is passing through. The center is not at origin. Circle is passing through. That means the one point on the circumference is 0, 0. Am I right? Now let r is the distance, r is the radius. What is that? The distance between, now this is a circle, students. This is the circle. Okay, let's say circle is passing through this point, so I can draw like this. Am I right? Now the circle is passing through this point. This is 0, 0, right? And let's say the origin is C. Okay, origin is, oh sorry, the center is C. C is always taken as H and K. All right. Now, what will be R in this case? R would be H square plus K square under root. Am I right? Applying distance formula. H minus 0 square plus K minus 0 square under root. Am I right, Ishma? R is H square plus K square under root. Girls, have you understood? R is CO. O is at the periphery. CO or this or this or this all are radius of the circle. So what is CO? C is HK and now it's opposite. Now this point is 0, 0. So equation of circle passing through origin. Now equation of circle passing through origin. Don't mistake it as center is at origin. Center is at HK. Equation of circle passing through origin. What will be that? Again, x minus h whole square, right? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Sorry for this, this is y. Well, this is equal to r square h square plus k square. So the equation of the circle passing through origin is x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equal to 0. Remember that, students. This is the equation of the circle passing through origin. Can you repeat it, Ishma? This equation? Just say this fast.
X square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equal to 0.
Is the equation of the circle passing through origin. Passing through origin. Okay, that's great. Now, then case 2. Case 2. What is case 2? When the center lies on x-axis or y-axis. Okay, the center. Now let's say the center, this is my y and x-axis. The center lie on, let's say, x-axis. Now this is the circle. The center lie on x-axis. So what will be the coordinate of center? Ishma, can you tell me? Normally we take coordinates.
X comma 0.
No. Normally we take coordinates of center as HK, right? So this will be H and K will be on x-axis. The ordinate is
0.
beautiful. It will be H0. Very right. The origin is H0. So very simple. Let's imagine a point on the periphery of the circle as XY. Can you tell the equation of the circle? Come on. It will be x minus h whole square plus y minus, come on, y minus k is 0.
K.
Square is equal to r square is equal to x minus h whole square plus y square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle, which is when the center lies on x-axis. Now students, the center lie on y-axis. So can you tell what will be the coordinate of center? Center lie on y-axis. X will be 0. Y would be, y coordinate will be, come on, k. Right? Again imagine a point on the circumference of the circle P to be general point xy. So what will be the radius, Ishma? Radius r. Radius is r. So what will be the equation? Case 2, when circle is having center on y-axis. Center on y-axis. This is center on x-axis. So here it will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. In other words, I can write x square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle passing through, I'm sorry, equation of the circle whose center is at y-axis. Okay. Now I give you a little bit of homework. Any student who has seen this, I expect you to do these questions. Let's say find the equation of the circle whose center is at AB, center is at AB, passes through origin. Passes through origin. I expect you girls to write down the equation in the comment section of this video after watching the video again. Okay, do that. Now only write the answer. Now I expect you to do this sum also. If the center of the circle passing through point 23, center of the circle. This is the no. I'm sorry. This is not center of circle. Circle is passing through this point. This is P point on the circumference. On the circumference. Circle is passing through this point. Find the equation of the circle whose radius is 5 units. This is second question. Radius is 5 units and center lies on x-axis. The center is x-axis. Center lies on axis. So what will be coordinate of the center, students? X-axis, x and 0, right? If center lies on y-axis, then what are the coordinates, students? 0. Come on. If center lies on y-axis, then what are the coordinates? 0, k. And if it lies on x-axis, it is h0. I'm sorry, this is h0 here. Okay. So finally do this, two sums, and write down their answers. In tomorrow's lecture, we'll discuss when circle touches x-axis, when circle touches y-axis, and when circle touches both the coordinate axes. It's like this. This is a circle. This is the circle which is touching both the coordinate axes. And general equation of a circle and questions based upon circle. This we will do tomorrow. And then comes find the center and radius when general equation of circle is given. Then to find out equation of a circle passing through three non-collinear points, that also we will do, and then circle would be finished. Then we'll start with parabola. So two more lectures on circle, students. This is a YouTube channel, Learn CBSC Engineer Omkar Singh. Do subscribe, share with your friends. Do these two sums. Write down answer in the comments. Wish you all the best.